In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create horizontal scrolling images in Squarespace. If you've been looking to enhance the visual appeal of your Squarespace site by incorporating a sleek, interactive horizontal scrolling gallery, then you're definitely in the right place. Squarespace 7.1 wonderfully streamlines this process with some built-in options that make your job both simple and intuitive. So, let's dive right in and explore how to set this up. The first thing you want to do is add a gallery section to your page. Just head on over to the page editor and you'll see a button labeled Add Section. Clicking on this will open up a variety of section types you can insert into your design, but the one we're interested in today is the gallery section. Selecting this will bring up various layout options, and for our purpose, you'll want to choose the slideshow reel layout. This particular layout is perfect for showing off images and creating that desired horizontal scrolling effect. Once you've got your gallery section in place, the next step is to upload your images. Simply click the option to add images to your gallery and either upload them from your device or select from images you might already have in your library. This is where you can let your creativity shine. Consider the story you want to tell through these pictures and arrange them in a way that makes sense for your narrative or business objectives. After your images are in, you'll want to adjust the image settings to suit your aesthetic preferences. Squarespace provides options like full bleed or inset settings. Full bleed essentially means that your images will extend to the very edge of the screen, providing a more dramatic and immersive viewing experience. On the other hand, the inset option can create a lovely framed look, drawing viewers' attention to the details within each image. Choose whichever setting aligns best with your site's overall theme and purpose. This method provides a straightforward and visually pleasing horizontal scrolling effect, and the best part is, there's no need for custom code. This ensures that even if you're not a technical wizard, you can still create a sophisticated professional look. Plus, the simplicity of the process means you can easily make changes or updates whenever you need to, keeping your site fresh and engaging. And there you have it, a beautiful, functional, horizontal scrolling gallery all ready to captivate your visitors and enhance the user experience of your Squarespace site. I hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on elevating your online presence with Squarespace, and happy designing!